In this video, we're going to talk about the Secure Boot certificates that are expiring today. I will show you how to get updated Secure Boot certificates and how to check if they are updated or not in your PC. So let's begin with the information that you need to know so that you have clear image of what you need to do. First of all, let's see what is Secure Boot. Secure Boot is a security feature that ensures that only trusted software runs during a device boot start sequence. So now the first and most important thing we want to check is that if your device have Secure Boot enabled. On your PC, just type system, open up the system information, and here you will see the Secure Boot state that will shows on or off for your PC. So this is the first thing we have to check. If your Secure Boot is turned on, you have to know that Secure Boots needs some security certificate to run smoothly on your system. Previously issued certificate date was 2011, that is expiring in June 2026, and the newer issue certificate date is 2023. So your newer version of certificate should be updated to 2023. So what will happen when your secure boot certificates are not updated correctly? Device will boot normally, Windows update continue to install, everyday app use networking, browsing and most features remain unchanged. But here are the few risks. New secure boot and boot manager protection cannot be applied. Vulnerability fixes for early boot environment such as BitLocker, which will bypass the mitigation and secure boot revocation, that will not be available. Some third-party components that rely on Microsoft Secure Boot Trust may fail to update if they require new Secure Boot entries. So to make sure your certificates are updated correctly, in the search bar type Windows Update, go to Windows Update setting and always check for latest update and install them. Usually Microsoft will update the certificates automatically, but you have to come here and update your PC. Make sure your latest update was set to install automatically. The next thing you could make sure, go to your provider official website and make sure your device has installed the latest BIOS driver. The next quick method to check if you have installed the certificate or not, go to search bar and search for Windows PowerShell, run it as administrator, click yes on the USC and paste this command into your PowerShell. What this command does, it gives us the answer for Secure Boot certificate that has the latest release 2023. Once you have pasted this command, press enter. If you get true in the answer, that means your PC has the latest certificates installed already. The next quick option I will show you to verify, again go to search bar and type security. Then go to Windows Security, scroll it down, go to Device Security, and here if you see this green check mark on the Secure Boot option, that means your latest Secure Boot certificates are installed. So that's all about Secure Boot certificates. Basically, Secure Boot ensure that no malicious software run over your PC. So if you want to stay 100% secure, you have to make sure your all Secure Boot certificates are installed and up to date. And as previously, I have mentioned that just come to update section and check for updates. If there are any updates here, make sure to install all of them and restart your PC if required. So that's it about today's quick video. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next one.